This is not permissible. Only subservience shall be tolerated. This drone now leaves to inform the Ur-Quan of your transgressions.
My gods, Dogar the Black and Kazon the Unseen have personally confided to me that they despise you humans and that they will help us to kill you all.
Hello, I just wanted to let everybody know there is a new version of Ur-Quan Masters HD MegaMod, which is the coolest version of this game that I have seen so far to date. Now, in my old video I covered 0.8, 0.3 and a whole bunch of different configuration options. I'm not going to be covering any of those in this video, just except for one little option. I wanted to point out, if you look for the install on the GitHub, you're only going to see an exe file. So Windows people, you're in luck. You can just download this and get started. But if you have Linux, you're going to have to compile the source code. If you have Android and you want to run this, you're just going to have to run the old version because they didn't make a new version for Android. There is a FlatHub install for this for Linux, but if you look on the page here, it says it's a 781 megabyte download, but Software Manager always gives you the actual figure. So this is actually going to take up 4 gigabytes of disk space, which I don't really feel like sacrificing, so we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. The GitHub page has installation instructions for Linux. If you just scroll down here and click on the little thing that says Linux with an arrow next to it, you can just simply click this to copy it, go to the source code, extract it. I'm going to go ahead and open a terminal. Okay, this might require a little bit of correction here. It's got some bad spacing. Now, this is going to install a lot of stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here and let you know when this finishes. Okay, you just want to go back to GitHub and just copy this one line here. That one. I'm going to go ahead and add on 6 because I have 8 CPUs. This should be pretty quick. It says you're going to get some developer-centric options. Just hit enter here and don't worry about it. Now if I try to load the executable, I'm going to get an error message saying I'm missing the base content, but it's real easy to get that. It gives you a folder right off your home folder where you can download this stuff, so you just want to type in Ur-Quan Masters MegaMod Bone Pit and go there and you can download all the content right off of this. Takes a few minutes to get all this, and once you do, I'll show you right where to put this stuff. Okay, first I'm going to show you exactly what I downloaded. So take a look, pause this if you have to. I highlighted everything I downloaded and I didn't download the rest. Now it might be worth it to download some of the better music or the more updated music, but I am personally addicted to mod tracker music. That's why I'm just going with the original. Now, I want to make a note of this that I put this in very specific folders. I've done a lot of testing here and I didn't want to put it in the generated folder that's off the home folder. Instead, you want to put this in content / add-ons and packages. The only thing you're going to put in packages is this file here, just the base content file. You want to put everything else into add-ons. If you don't do it exactly like this, it's not going to work. Now I want to talk a little bit about the options, but I'm going to do my best to keep it brief. Okay, you want to make sure that you go into graphics and switch that over to HD. Keep your scale set to bilinear unless you've got some killer hardware, because the rest of these were causing me to run choppy. Now, you pretty much want to go through the list and switch everything to the highest setting possible. I'm just going to summarize right now and say either 3DO or UQM, so you get the best settings. Okay, also under advanced, this is something I want to try. It's called StarSeed. It's basically going to randomize the crap out of everything. And go down here to custom seed. Just enter something random, whatever. Under cheats, you might want to enable infinite resource units. That's all I really ever enable. Okay, I'm going to skip the 3DO video right now. Okay, let's just check the star map. See, yeah, we're in a totally different place than we used to be. So I'm not sure exactly how much that everything is going to be randomized. I think many of the stars are still in the same location. Like if I look up here, I see the Corvi system. But that doesn't necessarily mean that the Slylandro homeworld's going to be up there. Okay, I went ahead and tried this randomization thing, and it's great, but it's not without its caveats. Like, when you play it the normal way, you know where everything is. But I'm going to say the very first thing you want to do is wait until the 17th of the month and check every green star on the map. And when you find one that says unknown, you're going to find the Airlu territory. You want to go there and go through the green star into Quasi space, find their homeworld, and talk to them. And they're going to tell you exactly where the Ur-Quan warp pod is located. Then you want to come back to your star map and hit the F6 key, type in the name of the system that it gives you. It's going to put a little highlight on your map. You want to go there, pick up the warp pod, go back, and bring it to him, and he's going to give you the quasi-space portal generator. The other thing is that you're going to learn 4 different locations of rainbow worlds from 4 different alien races: the Thradish, the Supax, the Shafixti, and the Slylandro. Now the Slylandro, you're not going to know where the hell they're at until you talk to the Melnorm, because they're the only ones who are going to give you their exact location. And for them to give you that exact location, you're already going to have discovered at least 1 or 2 rainbow worlds, because you're going to require the credits to pay them for the information. Now I'm quoting the author of this mod. It said, "From there you got to figure out the trick of finding the rest." And I haven't figured out the trick yet, but I'm really excited about doing this because this randomization thing is very cool. That's all I've got for you on this video. I want to wrap it up quickly and get this done and over with. Thank you for watching this. I'll come out with another video very soon.